Here's the quick read. Chesterfield/Lazerjet is leading GitHub trending today. It picked up 150 stars, so this isn't random noise. What matters more is the mix, developer tooling and workflow leverage. We're not chasing popularity for its own sake. We're watching what developers are actually opening and building on right now. Open source moves fast, but patterns still show up. When the top of the list clusters around one problem, it usually means people found something worth solving. So the real question is simple: which project best explains today's attention, and do the README, release pace, and recent activity all line up? Top 5, quick read. At number 1, Chesterfield/Lazerjet leads with 150 stars. It's a Go project, and the README keeps it simple, and the description is simple terminal UI for Git commands. Next, f/prompts.chat picked up 633 stars and still feels like a adoption lane. It's written in HTML, and the description says FKA awesome ChatGPT prompts. Share, discover, and collect prompts from the community. Free and open source. Apache/Airflow added 30 stars, and the topics make the target pretty clear: Airflow, Apache, Apache Airflow. The description says Apache Airflow, a platform to programmatically author, schedule, and monitor workflows. Then there's PingCap/TIDB. It picked up 15 stars, and the recent activity looks real, not random. Recent activity says April 9, 2026 DDL, use max approximate KV/region size for ad index. To finish the list, codecrafters-io/build-your-own-x picked up 691 stars. It feels more like a practical playbook than a one-off app. The board leans toward Go X2, HTML X1, Python X1, Markdown X1. That usually tells you who this is for: front-end tools, data tools, AI orchestration, infra utilities, or a CLI teams can pick up fast. The README and release trail tell you whether that audience is real or just a short spike. And when a project solves one clear problem well, you can usually feel why it sticks. When I read GitHub trending, I look for 3 things: a clear problem, low friction to try it, and a project that fits a real workflow. If the README is clear, the release pace is steady, and the commits look real, stars usually follow. If it solves an actual pain point, the trend can last longer than a one-day burst. That's the whole test. Ask whether it's just a nice demo or something people will keep using. The strong ones make that jump fast, and that's what turns attention into durable momentum. Next time I check in, I'll be watching to see whether the same theme shows up again or whether attention rotates somewhere else. If the next wave still points at developer tooling and workflow leverage, that tells you this is bigger than one breakout project. I'll also check whether the stars stay concentrated in one language or spread out, and whether the README and release cadence still support the move. A concentrated lane usually means one toolchain is pulling the most attention. A mixed lane means interest is moving across layers at the same time. Either way, GitHub Trending is a useful pulse check on where developers are spending their time. Quick note: this is commentary only, not software endorsement or advice. Always check the README, license, security posture, and community health before adopting anything for yourself or your team.